All-in-one software supports the ability to generate submittal packages for your customers. Before you generate your first submittal package, you must complete the one-time process of entering your company's contact information in all-in-one software. To do this, go to the File tab and click Preferences. This launches the Preferences window. On the Submittals tab, enter your company's name, telephone, and fax numbers, your email address, and your company's mailing address. Completing these data entry fields ensures that your submittal packages contain the appropriate contact information for your customers. Returning to our project schedule, let's open the Submittals view. Notice that all-in-one software organizes the Submittals view by product class, which means your submittal packages are product class specific. Before we generate our GRD submittal package, let's make a few tweaks to the current project schedule. Any layout changes you make on screen will be reflected in the submittal package itself. Using the Manage Columns tool, the project schedule may be configured to include the columns you use and eliminate the ones you don't. In addition, columns may be rearranged and sorted using the column headers themselves. To rearrange columns, simply click and drag the column headers to the desired location. To sort columns, click the column header. Click once for an ascending order, twice for a descending order, and a third time to reset the column to its original order. The next step is to select the products to include in the submittal package. You may make individual product selections, or click this box to include all products in the package. Once you've made your product selections, you may define the way the submittal package looks. Using the selection boxes in the Report Options section of the screen, you may choose whether to include a single title page for all submittals, which helps to create a professional-looking document package. You may remove those columns that do not contain any data to save space, and include more meaningful descriptions of the selected products. By default, all three of these options are selected for you. All-in-one software will also remember your selections when generating submittals for any product class on the current project, as well as for all other projects in the future. In the Drawing Options section of the screen, you may choose to include drawings and installation instructions in the package if available. Additionally, you may specify the unit of measure, which may be imperial, metric, or both. By default, all-in-one software selects dynamic submittals unless your project includes products for which they are not an option. In that case, static submittals will be included in place of dynamic submittals. And finally, you have the option to group products by either unique configurations or item tag. Once you've configured the layout of your submittal package, click View. Depending on the complexity and number of products on your project, the submittals package may take up to several minutes to generate. Once generated, your PDF viewer will launch so that you may preview the report. From here, you may save, print, and email the report to your customer.